at National Railway Museum. First train, Henry Oak. Pause it there so you can read it. Zoom out a bit so we can see it properly. So you can go. And then here. It's been about a year since I was last at the National Railway Museum, but it's nice to be back. People can tell what that is just by the number. Evening Star. You got Schools Class Champion. Few people think the 9F Evening Star just wait till you see one of the next ones. Also tiny. Cheltenham again. Don't know where Hotel Board is. Might have walked past it. I think I did. But let's go up here. Lovely logo. Go down here. Pause here. We've got this beautiful electric motor coach, I think it's called. It's lovely. I'll show you the inside. Go down this. Electric motor coach, I was right. This massive 484, a KF7, I think that's what it's called, or don't know what that's there for, KF70, don't know, KF17. I didn't realise it was built in Britain. From big to a much smaller locomotive. As you can see, you got the Shinkansen there. We'll walk through that. Okay, let's go around. Got that beautiful there. Eurostar and HST. Come back round to some of these. I have no idea what that says. I'll go down here. Just Hamilton there, got a real car. Loop back around. Let's go up to the Eurostar and HST.
Now the other side, so I can get an appointment. Go around the other side.
Got one of the Class 800s cap. They all look the same. Every single one of these Class 800s look the same to me. Got one of those coin machine things. I've got the Deltic. Speaking of the Deltic, I have got a new Deltic model, as well as a Mallard, a Warship, a 52, and a Eurostar. Any of you OG fans will know that I've got an HO scale one. Now I've got a 00 scale. Though, yeah, that's just locked. Sir Kenneth Grange. Lovely inside. Let's look at the amount of dollar bills in there and $10 and $5. Stupid. Here we go. That's cool. It's cool how Britain owns the fastest diesel and fastest steam record. You couldn't be further off the fastest for electrical. Class 20. Some lovely doubly lovely poo-poo locomotive. Class 20 diesel electric. Got the beast. This is the beast diesel. 47 is the best. No one can change my mind about that. Literally, no one can change my mind. There will be some videos up of my new models, don't worry. useful diesel rail car. Got probably the most famous locomotive in here coming up. Probably seen it. NRM. It's the Mallard. Such a big locomotive. We'll go up and above it. Look. Imagine if she came back to steam. Stop here so you can read the Mallards. We've got this dynamometer car. I've never heard of this. Oh. That's interesting. Let's go up here and see the inside of it. Go up on to see my lord. It is definitely the most popular locomotive here. Go up here. That is a service or something. Okay, we'll go back down this way because that's where the rest of the locomotives we need are. So we'll go down that way, then we'll come back down and go in the north shed. And then find my father somewhere, wherever he is. He might be down this way, so we might run into him. Barely readable. God, the LMS coronation class. Oh. Yeah. I guess this should be the coronation class. It's Duchess of Hamilton. Yeah, that's right. Don't know what that's made out of. No idea what's going on in there. That's a very lovely coach. Go down there and loop out. Hey, City Wells. Hey, I didn't expect the City of Wells nameplate there. As many of you know, City Wells is down at East Lancs in Bury, about 2 hours away from here. Maybe a bit less, give or take 30 minutes. I don't know what this locomotive is, so let's read it together. Lovely. If I'm mistaken, that's a Sterling single, which not the best. That's some of these older ones, but I think it is a Sterling single. I've got the Rocket replica. I think it's obviously its original, but always holes and gashes in it. Me and my dad are laughing at that name. I'm not going to read it because YouTube will probably think I said something else, but if there's any Brits that are going to watch this video, they'll understand what I mean. And if you want to know what I mean, just Google this with a K in front, so Knob, and you'll know. This is definitely original. And then got almost the authentic Stephenson's rocket there. No idea where my dad's ended up. Probably found somewhere to rest. It's my uncles are getting quite tired, but I'm dedicated to making these videos for you guys. So just adjust my hand so I don't get a really bad cramp in it. Second time I've had to record this video because I accidentally pressed something that stopped the recording, so waited 11 minutes, nearly 12. We are at, I think, 19-20 minutes. I'm actually seeing in there for the first time because I'm too short to see in there. I'm gonna go around the back. Shh, don't tell anyone. Okay, let's go around. To the north shed. And then we'll go to the model railway room. I think that's it. City Wells again. I've got Sir Ralph Edgewood as a model, so I'm gonna... nameplate's come off and it's not working. but I will be sure to fix it and get her back up and running. She's got 2 A4s. If you go to my birthday 100 subscriber special, then you'll see all my new, some of my new models. Let me go through this quickly because it's starting to have a long run time. Got a lovely Deltic. Got a model of this now, not in this livery, but
Did they steal it?
don't listen to them, that's misinformation. The America did not steal the flying Scotsman. She just got struck because the owner couldn't pay for her anymore and just decided to leave her there. Okay, she got a new owner and they brought her back to the UK, and that's how I've got those pictures, which should be up on my channel somewhere. If they're not, then just say in the comments and I'll upload them. Again, I'm going to rush through this. I thought this worked, but it doesn't. Wish this worked because this would be cool. Let's go down these three. No idea where my father is, so I'll take you on the adventure of finding him. We will be going into the Wonderland. I've got the video of me doing that. But search starts. Gonna check in the seating areas first, because that's the most likely spot to be. Oh, there he is.
Hey kid.
And